Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about the plasma, which is matrix of blood. It's pale yellowish in color. This pale yellow color is provided by the pigment which is bilirubin or urobilinogen pigment, and the plasma serves as a transport medium for delivering nutrients to the cells and for the various organs of the body, and for transporting waste products derived from the cellular metabolism to the kidney, livers, lungs for excretion. It also transports it is a transport system in the blood cells for blood cells and has critical role in maintaining normal blood pressure. Yes, we know that the fluid exerts pressure on the wall in which it is kept or through which it flows. Similarly, the plasma also exerts pressure on the wall of the blood vessels through which it flows, and it helps in maintaining osmotic balance of the body. It helps in maintaining osmotic balance and homeostasis of the body. It's or biological stability of the body and acid base balance of the body. That means it is used for maintaining the pH of the body, pH of the blood. It is mainly transfused into the patient of trauma, liver diseases, and multiple sclerosis. Now coming to the constituents of plasma. In plasma, about 90 to 92% is water, and then followed by other solid part, which includes inorganic and organic constituents. In the inorganic constituents, there can be sodium, potassium, chloride, bicarbonates, magnesium. In whole, we can say there are many types of ions floating in the plasma, followed by salts and other small molecules. And inorganic constituents of the plasma include amino acids, vitamins, organic acids, pigments, enzymes, and whatnot. Hormones such as insulin, corticosteroids, thyroxines, these are also floating through plasma in small amount. These are also floating through plasma. The plasma concentration of the hormones must be carefully regulated for good health. Nitrogenous waste such as urea and creatine. Yeah, urea and creatine uh, can sometimes be increased. Their amounts in the plasma can be increased, and when it occurs, when the patient is suffering from kidney failure, that is known as renal failure. Now coming to the plasma proteins. Plasma has 6 to 8% of proteins inside it, which includes albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, and prothrombin. And maximum constituent of all the is of albumin in the plasma, followed by globulin. They are synthesized by the reticuloendothelial cells of the liver in the adult, whereas from the mesenchymal cells of the embryo. Albumin, its main role is maintaining the osmotic pressure of the blood, its smallest plasma protein, whereas globulin, its globular protein, it is synthesized by the liver and as well as lymphoid organs. The ratio of albumin is to globulin is 2 is to 1. That means there are 6 to 6 to 8% of the albumin, then there will be 3 to 4% of globulin, just half. It provides defense to the body. It is of three types: alpha globulin, beta globulin, and gamma globulin. Fibrinogen helps in clotting of the blood. It is the largest plasma protein. Now coming to the other nutrients which are present in the plasma includes glucose. This is a compound which provides energy to the cells and organs. The concentration is 100 milligram per deciliter. And amino acid is present 40 milligram per deciliter. Lipids 500 milligram per deciliter. Cholesterol 100 to 10 to 250 milligram per deciliter. Vitamins and trace elements, dissolved gases like carbon dioxide in the concentration 2 milligram per 100 ml, nitrogen molecule zero point 0.9 ml per 100 ml, and oxygen molecule zero point 0.2 ml per 100 ml. Waste products like urea, creatine, uric acid, and bilirubin are also present in this plasma. Hormones are present in a very less amount. Serum without plasma without clotting factors is known as serum. It is the portion where the clotting factor is absent. Functions of the plasma. Plasma has function like it maintains the blood pressure and also the volume of the blood, because it is a fluid, so it will definitely show these two properties. Supplying critical proteins for the blood clotting and immunity. It serves as protein reserve for the body because many types of proteins are dissolved in this plasma, are floating through this plasma. It maintains the intravascular pressure and electrolyte balance. It prevents the body from infection and cancers and blood disorders. It maintains the temperature of the body. It maintains the proper acid base balance of the body, and the waste product of the cell is also deposited in the plasma. In whole, we can say that plasma is very important for maintaining the osmotic balance, whether it is osmotic balance or whether it is defense or from infectious agent, for maintaining the temperature. It is very important for the body to support the functionings of the body, for carrying the blood cells to the different parts and organs. And that's all for this lecture. Okay, then thank you, bye bye.